Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a smart diverter for Aqualisa Q showers. This video shows you how to install a smart diverter for an Aqualisa Q smart shower with 2 outlets. If you're installing a diverter for a different Aqualisa smart shower, please refer to our separate video. The diverter can be sited up to 2 meters from the smart valve or connected directly to the smart valve. Using the supplied 15mm push-fit connector, connect the diverter box to the outlet of the smart valve. Fix the diverter into place using the adjustable feet. Connect the blended supply pipes from the diverter to the bathroom feeds. Remove the lids from the diverter and the quartz valve. Connect the 2-meter patch lead cable from the secondary port of the quartz valve and the first port of the diverter. Replace the lids to the smart valve and diverter and secure using the fixing screws. Ensure that all isolation valves are fully open.